Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a quick and easy microwave mac and cheese in just 2 minutes. First, measure out half a cup of elbow pasta and place it in a microwave-safe mug. Add half a cup of water to the pasta. Make sure the pasta is fully submerged. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't overflow. Carefully take the mug out and give it a good stir. The pasta should be tender. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Mix until the cheese is melted and creamy. Season with a pinch of salt to taste and stir well. And there you have it, quick and creamy microwave mac and cheese. Perfect for a quick snack or meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick recipe hacks.